Hello my YouTube channel followers and viewers. Today I will show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 for free. If you have Windows 10, then the Windows Update section offers to update Windows 10 to 11. Read and agree to the license terms. Next, Windows 11 updates will be downloaded and then Windows 11 will be installed automatically. Windows 11 is currently downloading. The download process is not fast. The download process is complete, now the installation of Windows 11 is in progress. The installation process is not fast and may take some time. Once Windows 11 is installed, you will need to restart your computer.